Hello, my friends. Chef Blondie here. Thanks to my dearest friend Nancy and a windfall from heaven, I had the wonderful opportunity to visit Ireland in 2009. During that trip, I met Catherine Fulvio, a famous Irish TV chef and author. She owns and runs the Ballyknocken House and Cookery School. It was there that I learned how to make scones. That's a day that I will always treasure and never forget. Catherine was born and raised in Ballyknocken, a working farm. She recalls how whenever there was a need for a tasty, comforting dish, her mother always returned to her family cottage pie recipe. Catherine says that if you use lamb instead of beef, you have a recipe for authentic Irish shepherd's pie. And most of us are familiar with having corned beef and cabbage on St. Patrick's Day. I get a little tired of it. However, on NBC's Today Show, Catherine suggested to the audience that they make her recipe for cottage pie instead. So if an Irish chef can recommend this cottage pie or shepherd's pie for St. Patrick's Day, so can we. And as Chef Catherine always says, bon appetito! Happy cooking. Some years ago, I had the opportunity to go to Ireland, and I met one of the top professional chefs there, and this is going to be her recipe. So let's get started. We're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. That's good enough. Hey, and do you know the difference between shepherd's pie and cottage pie? Well, shepherd's pie uses ground lamb, and cottage pie uses ground beef. So today we're going to put in 1 pound of ground lamb. I'm going to saute this, get it nice and brown. This on the washer. Then we're going to add just a little salt and pepper to that. A little bit more. Okay. Now I've made shepherd's pie many times, and from different recipes. But I thought, let's try Chef Catherine and see what she's got to do with this. Anyway, it was a great trip to Ireland, and we'll be talking about that later. All right, it looks like our ground lamb is browned, so we're going to take this out, put it in our clean dish. So, my friends, do you have any traditions that you like to do for St. Patrick's Day? Let me know in comments. And if you've never had the opportunity to travel to Ireland, you need to. Beautiful country. Okay, I think that's just about that. So we're going to add just a little bit more oil, not much, because there's still some in there. That's good. And we're going to get our onions started. And they cook for just a short time. You don't want them browned, you just want to soften them a little bit. All right, looks like our onions are softened. So now we're going on to add the rosemary. This is rosemary from our own garden. And we're going to add thyme, which is from our own garden. And it's just now beginning to get really green and pretty. Oh, that smells wonderful. Okay, now we're going to add garlic. Give that a little stir. And then our carrots and celery. I'm going to let this cook probably about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about three minutes. So now we're going to add the ground lamb. That. Stir. Okay. Then we're going to add our flour to this. Then our salt and pepper. And then our tomato puree. We just need about a tablespoon of that. That's about right. And then we're going to add our red wine. And our beef stock. And some Worcestershire sauce. Oh my goodness. Okay. And you don't need much of the Worcestershire sauce, just a little bit. So I just have. That's good. All right, and we're going to simmer this for approximately 25 minutes. Smells divine. Brings back good memories. Okay, let's add our peas. And in this large pot over here, we're getting our potatoes ready so that we can make our mashed potatoes to go on top of this. Oh my. I cannot wait to taste this one. All right, now that we have our lamb and our vegetables in our pan, we're going to add the mashed potatoes. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Then we're going to smooth these all out and then put our Irish cheddar on the top. You guys, you really have to try this. You know, when we're doing our test kitchen recipes and the smells are just so delightful, it's like, I wish you could be here just to smell it. All the fresh rosemary and thyme, it's just delightful. Okay, now that we have our lamb mixture in our pan, we've done the mashed potatoes. We're going to add 7 ounces approximately of Irish cheddar on top. I mean, this is the ultimate St. Patrick dinner. Thank you, Catherine Fulvio, for this beautiful recipe. She's a fantastic chef, and I'll leave a link in the description for you to check her out. You know, she's just amazing, amazing, amazing. And her farm, oh my goodness, her farm is just wonderful. When I was there, we got to watch how they herd the sheep, and we just did so much while we were there. And she has such a beautiful herb garden. I mean, it was a fantastic trip. All right, we're going to put this in the oven for approximately, I'd say 30 minutes at 375. Okay, here we go. Oh, yummy, yummy. Set my timer. Oh, 30 minutes. Okay, it looks pretty good. It's time to take a taste of it. Okay, my friends, let's give this beautiful shepherd's pie a taste. It looks and smells delicious. Oh man. Let me get a little bit more of this lamb mixture. Oh my gosh. You know, like I say, I just wish you guys were here so you could just smell this incredible dish. And this stuff is hot. Here we go. All right, let's see what we have here. It's steaming. The rosemary and the thyme, that wonderful lamb, everything just blends together. You're really going to have to give this a try. It's absolutely delicious, and I know you're going to love it. And thank you, Chef Catherine. One more little bite. This is all mine, guys. Happy cooking.